In this lecture, we're going to talk about making transitions and connections in your blog post. In this specific lecture, I'm actually going to show you in my word processor how to transition from the introductory paragraph to your supportive points, and then how to get out of your supportive points and into your conclusive paragraph. This is how you make your writing flow. So let's actually open up our word processor. Go to my template here, and now I've actually built out all of these supportive points into a rough draft, and I want to focus in on these last two sentences of my nutshell paragraph. So I'm going to read here. It says, "I'm nowhere close to where I want to be, but over the years I've spent time studying the secrets of mentors I highly respect. There's certainly more, but today I want to share 5 secrets I've learned about becoming a better leader." I wrote these last 2 sentences of this paragraph very intentionally. I wanted the reader to know exactly what they were going to get by reading the rest of this article. The last couple of sentences in your nutshell paragraph where you make this transition, it's very important that you're clear and intriguing so that your reader will know what they're getting into and will buy in and actually read the rest of your article. So that's why I say there's certainly more, but today I want to share 5 secrets I've learned about becoming a better leader. I say 5 secrets because I want to intrigue them and get them to read. I want them to know there's something they don't know that they could learn by actually reading the rest of this article. So that transitions into my first point, and then my second point, my third point, fourth, fifth, and now let's look at this first sentence of my last paragraph, my conclusive paragraph. I transition out of my last point by saying there are no magic tricks for building strong character. It takes time, patience, and years of commitment. The way I make a connection from my supportive point to my conclusive paragraph here is by saying that yes, all of these points here matter and are important, and they're helpful and practical, but they're not magic. And so I'm referring back to my supportive points, and that is how you build connections. You can't just jump out of your last point and jump into a conclusive paragraph and it not be connected. You'll lose your reader and it won't flow correctly. So that's why I'm actually writing this first sentence of the last paragraph talking about the supportive points specifically. And then I say it takes time, patience, and years of commitment. I'm still transitioning out of my supportive points by actually making a connection back up here to my nutshell paragraph and my main idea, which, as you remember, is becoming a better leader is about making small but meaningful actions over an extended period of time. Does that sound very close to this? It does, doesn't it? It says it takes time, patience, and years of commitment. This is what it takes to build connections within your blog post. It's weaving in and out the main idea, the headline. It's about making it cohesive and feel unified. That way, by the time your reader gets to the end of the blog post, they've actually comprehended and digested what they read because you made it very clear and you've made it flow in such a way that their brain comprehends it at the correct level.